Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to device lock your Fitbit Versa 2. If someone else gets their hands on your Fitbit Versa 2, they can access a lot of your personal information very quickly. As a result, if you want to lock your device down so that only you can access the content on it, you can turn on the device lock feature to require a 4-digit PIN code be entered to access it. However, it's important to note that you can't fully disable device lock after you activate it on your Fitbit Versa 2, and your only option will be to require the PIN code whenever the device is brought out of sleep mode, or to require the PIN code whenever someone tries to use Fitbit Pay. If you want to fully disable the PIN code after turning it on, your only option will be to factory reset the device. I'll link to my video about how to factory reset your Fitbit Versa 2 in the video description. Now let's walk through the steps to set up device lock on your Fitbit Versa 2. Step 1. Launch the Fitbit app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on the Fitbit Today screen. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the upper left corner of the screen. The account screen is displayed. Step 3. Tap your Fitbit Versa 2 in the list of connected devices. The information screen for your Fitbit Versa 2 appears. Step 4. Scroll down to the bottom of your Fitbit Versa 2 information screen and then tap Device Lock. The Device Lock screen appears. As a reminder, if you move forward at this point with setting a PIN code on your Fitbit Versa 2, you won't be able to fully disable and remove the device lock without performing a factory reset on your device. You'll only be able to toggle between requiring that the PIN code be entered every time the Fitbit Versa 2 is brought out of sleep mode, or requiring that the PIN code is entered before using Fitbit Pay. Tap Set PIN Code if you still want to move forward with using device lock on your Fitbit Versa 2. A screen appears prompting you to enter a 4-digit PIN code. Step 5. Enter your 4-digit PIN code and then re-enter your 4-digit PIN code on the next screen. A Setting Up PIN Code screen appears briefly before your return to the device lock screen, where you'll now see a check mark next to Enabled Recommended. This means you'll be required to enter your PIN code whenever your Fitbit Versa 2 is brought out of sleep mode. Alternatively, you can set the PIN code to be enabled for Fitbit Pay only if you want to be prompted for the PIN code prior to using Fitbit Pay. You'll now see this device unlock screen on your Fitbit Versa 2 going forward when your PIN code is required. As a reminder, these are your only options going forward, and you can't disable the PIN code on your Fitbit Versa 2 without performing a factory reset on the device. If you want to factory reset your device, I'll include my video about how to do that in the description. Let me know what your favorite Fitbit Versa 2 feature is in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.